Hi, I'm Jenny with CocoaDaisy, and in this video we're unboxing the Stationery Kit, Journaling Kit, and Deluxe Journaling Kit from the July 2026 Coconut Cove collection. Let's take a look at the Coconut Cove Journaling Kit. This kit is great for folks who don't like to add a lot of bulk to their pages, and the first two in this collection are two sets of rub-on transfers. And as you can see, there are lots of decorative bits and pieces, including some watercolor splashes. And then there's also a handful of reminders and phrases here, and then days of the week on this one. They're so easy to use, and both packages are also include the popsicle stick that helps you rub these on to your paper or your project. And the popsicle stick is really fantastic. Obviously you don't have to use it, but the little rounded edge really makes it so easy to add that to your project. Also included is a set of our Vellum stickers. Now these are fantastic because they're a little bit thinner than our typical paper stickers. And so again, if you don't love bulky items, these are a really good choice. So the first sheet is a sheet that has a lot of decorative images and phrases, and then also some washi type strips. Next, we have a sheet of alphabet stickers, and then a sheet of decorative stickers that also include some washi strips as well. The next sheet is really fun. It's a sheet that has what looks like a bunch of torn corners and then different patterns for each of them. So for example, I'll peel this one off right here so that you can see it. But as you can see, it mimics a torn edge right there, like you're going to have torn that apart and you're going to use that on your page. And so as you can see, there's a whole bunch of different artwork like the rest of the collection that is from Lanew's Pots. We have a full sheet sticker that features that same lovely artwork by Lanew's Pots. And then a last sheet that has some date stickers and then also a bunch of days of the week stickers as well. So you have the 6 decorative sheets and the 2 rub-on transfers. And then we also have a 4x6 card that is decorative on one side. And then when you turn it over, the back side features 10 journaling prompts that are perfect to use for your journaling throughout the month. And last but not least, we have a roll of washi tape that is so cute. It's very much a summer picnic, lots of different treats and things like that. You can see that there is some frosty drinks, some ice cream cones, watermelons, sandwiches, things like that. So this is the Coconut Cove Journaling Kit, and you can see photos, digital renderings, and project ideas of this kit on our website. Here is the Coconut Cove Deluxe Journaling Kit. This kit comes in our heavy plastic folder that has both gussets on the sides, and then it also has a Velcro closure. So obviously it's fantastic for storing your kits, but it's also great for, leftover items or taking your kits on the go, things like that. So I can't wait to share all the really fun things in here with you. There are so many great items. So let's start with our 3 13 by 8.5 sheets of patterned paper. These also come in our planner kit as well. The first sheet has this lovely sort of mixed media design with the palm trees, and the back side features some of Lanew's Pots art with the waves and the shells. We also have another sheet that features Lanew's Pots art and this lovely seaside scene, and the back side has this tone-on-tone scallop pattern. And then we have this striped sheet that features a whole lot of rainbow stripes, and the back side features a 2 pattern design. All right, so we also have a couple of sheets of pattern papers that are a little bit more simple or subtle. They're great for layering and things like that, and they are unique to this particular kit. You won't find them in any of the other kits. We also have a couple more sheets that are unique to this kit. The first one is a gold foil vellum. I love this one. It's so cute. It's got like little wave pattern on it, and then at the bottom it says, "Let your dreams set sail." And then we also have just a very unique, interesting sheet of specialty paper this month. It reminds me of like a net, like a fishing net or something like that. Obviously not exactly, but it's definitely got that sort of vibe to it. It would be so fun with this collection to use. I'm really looking forward to creating with that. We also have 2 packages of our rub-on transfers, and these are also included in our journaling kit. Now these have a lot of different decorative items, and then this one has some headers and reminders and things like that, and this one has the days of the week. Both packages also include a popsicle stick, which is really great for actually transferring the images onto your project. We also have a sheet of PET stickers, and they just come on a single sheet, so you don't have to store a roll of them. And they are kiss cut, so you don't have to worry about cutting each individual image out. You can just simply remove them from the page. We also have a a set of vellum stickers that are also included in our journaling kit. I forgot to mention that the PET stickers are also included in our planner kit. All right, so these sheets are so fun because our vellum sticker paper is a little bit thinner. So if you don't like bulk or things like that, these are great for keeping things a little bit, well, thinner. All right, so we have this sheet of decorative stickers. Then we have a sheet of alphabet stickers. We also have a full sheet that has Lanú's Pots art, just like all of the rest of the critters and items and, you know, treats and things like that that are featured in this collection. We have a sheet of stickers that have some dates and then also days of the week. Then we also have a full sheet of what looks like torn corners, but obviously there's stickers that just mimic that. And they're really fun to use, and they're just all these different patterns, and they're really fantastic. And then last but not least, we have another sheet of decorative stickers and then washi type strips at the bottom. So there's 6 of those vellum sticker sheets that are just so usable and really a lot of fun. Now we also have a package of die cut stickers. All you have to do is simply remove the backing from each of them and they will stick to your project. These are also included in our planner kit. So as you can see, there are a variety of different images. You have, you know, starfish and watermelon, and, you know, then you have a whale and a turtle sitting in a beach chair, but then some plumeria flowers and an ice cream cone and maybe like a little cold drink. And then in addition to the die cuts, we also have a set of tabs. And these are our larger tabs, and you can see they're all different patterns included. So you have a variety here that are just really fun to use, obviously on the pages of your planner, but also journals, notebooks, and then any scrapbooks or photos, things like that. Now we also have a decorative 4x6 card, and on the back side there is also 10 journaling prompts that you can use for your journal. And you know, maybe you just need a jump start, maybe you're just not sure where to start, or you know, you're drawing a blank. It happens to all of us, right? We have a larger sticky notepad that also features Lanú's Pots art and lots of sheets. And this one I just love, like around the corner down here for this decoration. You could definitely use this for layering on your projects and things like that. All right, and this month we also have a fantastic stamp set. I love it. It looks like a little, I'm gonna say a note paper or a sheet of notebook paper, and it says summer on it and has lines, and then also at the top it says where and when. And this is unique to the Deluxe Journaling Kit, and the notepad is also included in our planner kit. And then last but not least is a roll of washi tape that is exclusive to this kit, and it is a vertical design, and it has a whole lot of our friend the seagull. All right, so this is the Coconut Cove Deluxe Journaling Kit, and you can see photos and project photos and digital renderings of this kit on our website. Let's dive right into our Coconut Cove Stationery Kit. This kit has a lot of really fun items that aren't designed for any specific project or notebook or planner, and they're just lots of fun things that you can use in your projects. The first couple of items we're going to check out is our overlay. You can see it features the really cute waves by Lanew's pots, and when I say overlay, like a transparency sheet, a very thin plastic sheet. I love the waves, and it just really has so much movement, and it's really lovely. Now the next is our vellum sheet, and as you can see, it features a seaside scene with Lanew's pots art, and you have some of the critters and the bamboo fence and the water. Lots of fun little elements there for sure. Next up, we have our sheet of Kiss Cut PET stickers, and these are really great every month, and they're Kiss Cut, so you don't have to cut them out. Next up is our postcard, and as you can see on one side we have this very cute artwork by Lanew's pots, and then the back side is a legitimate postcard. You could send this in the mail after you placed a stamp on it. It's also on like a watercolor texture paper as well. It's just a really fun little addition to the kit. We also have a sticky notepad that says slow and steady, and as you can see, there's lots of sheets included, and it's in the shape of this really fun shell. And then we also have 3 sheets of smaller stickers. So the first sheet is a sheet with days of the week on it, and the second sheet features a bunch of different postage type stamps, and then also some individual little drinks and treats and things like that. And then the last sheet is a bunch of very fun and cute little creatures featuring the Lanew's pots art. Now, speaking of stickers, in this kit we have a roll of die cut stickers that are just super cute, and they are punched in or die cut in a postage stamp shape, and they are just stickers. So once you tear them off, you just pull the back right off, and you have these super cute little stickers with lots of different designs. Now we also have some embroidered patches. Now the embroidered patches have a sticky back, so as you can see, you can just peel that little back off and stick them right to what you'd like to stick them to. So we have that fun little underwater octopus. We have this little fish complete with all of his bubbles. And then we also have this one that says, "Hello, sunshine." So cute. Put them on a notebook, put them on a tote bag, however you want to use them. And then we also have a package of our Vellum die cut stickers. These are printed on a Vellum type sticker, and so that makes them a little bit thinner and then a little bit translucent also. There's lots of different shapes with art from Lanew's pots. And then last but not least, we have our little button, which features our fishy friend with his little bubbles. And this button, as you can see, when you turn it over, it has a pin back, so you can just pin that right to your tote bag or, your jacket or whatever. But you can also remove the pin back. And then in the shop, we sell these large paper clips. And so then when the pin back is removed, you can just stick it right to the magnet at the top and you have a very large paper clip. It's a fun little way to customize your, keeping things organized and neat and tidy. So this is the Coconut Cove Stationery Kit, and you can see photos, digital renderings, and projects on our website.